Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Lovable to Supabase. To begin, open Lovable and make sure you are on the main dashboard or home screen. This is the starting point for accessing your workspace options and connection settings. If you are already signed in, you should see the dashboard load right away. From the top left area of the screen, click the Account dropdown. This menu gives you access to workspace-related options, including the settings you'll need for connector management. Take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct account or workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Once the drop-down menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to the area where Lovable organizes configuration options for your workspace. Settings is where you can control integrations, permissions, and other important setup features. After the Settings page opens, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Connectors. The Connector section is where Lovable lists available services that can be linked to your workspace. This makes it easier to manage external tools and data sources in one place. At the top left of the Connectors area, enter Supabase into the Search field. Searching helps narrow the list quickly, which is especially useful if there are multiple connector options available. As you type, the relevant result should appear. When you see Supabase in the results, click on it to open the Connector Details page. This page is where you can start the connection process and review the option you're about to enable. It's a good idea to check that you selected the correct service before continuing. Next, click Connect Supabase. Once you do that, Lovable will guide you through the remaining on-screen procedure. This part may include authorization prompts, selecting the appropriate Supabase project, or confirming access permissions. Follow each prompt carefully and read the on-screen instructions as you go, since the exact flow can vary depending on your setup and sign-in status. As a general tip, keep both platforms accessible while completing the connection so you can move smoothly through any approval screens. If anything doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load before clicking again. And that's it. You've now started the process of connecting Lovable to Supabase through the built-in connectors area. Follow the remaining prompts on screen to complete the setup successfully.